Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect a button to another page in Framer. So as you can see, I have buttons right here. And all you need to do is first click on that button to get this properties section, this panel on the right hand side. Now here, as you can see, under the button section, you see link, right? So I'll click on this one. Okay, let's do learn more. And we can easily link this to a page or URL. Okay, so for this example, we'll do a page within Framer. Now, as you can see right here, I have different pages. Let's say I would like it to take us to contact, right? I'll just go ahead and, press the / on my keyboard. And then I can just come here and type in contact, or in this case, I can just choose it. And you can even choose the different sections that you would like it to take you to. So I'll just leave it to contact right there. Okay, you can even choose the heading section, the form section, right? So we'll actually try this out. So I'll come here and let's preview this. So click on that icon. And now if I come down here, click on learn more, it should take us to the contact section. And as you can see, it works, and it's really that easy and simple.